Hello everyone, I make it today clean wet shave. My beard nearly also 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks. I'm not touching nothing and now ready to cut. And I used the Barber razor. This easy. People think that this hard game, but so easy. I'll show you how you do that for easy cut. First, I used this one, clean all my face and take it all oil outside. Get ready the razor. I use the Perma shop. I think that this best. No Turkish barbers use the Perma shop. Ready. And now second, I use this spoon. Put my cups. Boom. Need the really hot water. And I use the what you call it now, bulldog brush. It's good. I love that. Touch the skin really soft. Just close. Video every time happen. Nasty. I like that sabun. And don't make it too dry. Make it wet. Forget, but still show my beard starting down. I cut down and they're going up. You don't make it the up and down, just down up. Watch your beard which side is going and follow that size, otherwise everywhere blood coming. Make it easy. I'll show you now. Tissue. First, make it ready for sideburn where you start. I think so, yeah, right. just follow your beat. Very good. And you hold the razor, not really strong and not really tight, just middle. Something gone wrong and stop, you know, doesn't cut yourself. And other things, cutting the razor, the position, I'll show you that one. Don't make it too down, middle, just try make it straight. Don't cut yourself, and make it more practice and get it more easy. And other things, your razor doesn't cut very well, change, put the other one. Because sometimes blade no good, but perma shop enough, whole face one of them, but some blade doesn't very well. Oops. Looks different. I will leave that one. Turkish 𝘧𝗪𝗏. I start first, middle, and go one side, use the 2 fingers for cutting corners, more easy. Legs there. look at now. Clean the blade. And here up and make down and up. Don't make it fast and pressing too much. Make a second part now. This time touch your skin. Where is the like sounds coming? Some skin really sensitive, I know that. Make a best before starting. Make ready the hot towel. How you do in the home hot towel? Make it easy. Make the wet towel, wash it, and put to some bag. Put the microwave just 3 minutes and boom, ready. 3 minutes and ready. Before starting the shave, put your face and your skin getting relaxing. And use the hot water, no cold water. I tell you, start the video. Use the hot water. Put the spoon and follow the bead, which size gone, cutting that size. Don't put the razor other way. And after done, make another hot towel. After not your face itchy and burn. Now I use the aftershave cream. I like that smell. Oh, my hand dirty. so clean hands. I like this cream, my favorite. No burn, but smell good. Now big boy coming. Dust burn. Ready? Mickey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. That's the make it easy clean shave for Barber razor. Bye bye.